Did you wake up feeling disconnected from your body? Like your joints are stiff and your core is still asleep? Let's realign everything without stress or strain. Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward, left leg straight back. Hold, breathe, return to center. This isn't just movement, it's recalibration. I promise this move trains your core to stabilize your spine, activates cross-body control, and improves posture from the ground up. Beginners, tap hand and foot between each rep. Advanced stretches, hold 5 seconds and focus on minimizing all torso movement. You're not just building strength, you're teaching your body how to trust itself again. Hold the final rep for 5 seconds. Feel the shake? That's progress. Now switch. Left arm reaches forward, right leg extends back. This side may feel less stable, and that's exactly why we train it. I promise, when both sides of your body fire equally, you reduce the small compensations that cause pain over time. Beginners, widen your base for support. Advanced stretches, add a pulse at the top. Do you feel your spine holding steady? That's your core doing what it was made to do. That just turned on your center. Now let's reinforce it with control under tension. Now let's decompress what we've built. Lower down onto your belly, elbows under shoulders, forearms flat. Gently lift your chest while keeping your hips grounded. This is where tension melts out of your spine. I promise, this passive back bend decompresses your lower back, opens the front body, and helps release pressure built up from sitting or stress. Beginners, widen your feet or stay lower. Advanced stretches, lift through your sternum and press into your hands slightly. Do you feel your belly expanding with breath? That's your nervous system downshifting. Hold for 5 more seconds. That just unlocked your lumbar spine. Now let's open up the upper half. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Inhale, reach your right arm overhead. Exhale, bend to the left. Hold, then switch sides halfway through. This isn't just a stretch, it's a full body lengthening from your hip to your fingertips. I promise, this opens the side body, resets breathing patterns, and improves spinal flexibility often missed in basic routines. Beginners, keep your opposite hand on your hip. Advanced stretches, add a subtle back bend at the top and pause in the side stretch. You don't need deep twists to restore your spine. You just need deliberate expansion. Can you slow the breath while holding the stretch for 5 more seconds? That just unlocked your ribs. Now let's open the lower chain. Step your feet wide, under wrists. Reach your right hand towards your left foot. Return to center, then switch sides. This is your dynamic backline reset. I promise, this movement pattern stretches your hamstrings, unlocks your lower back, and engages your obliques in rotation. Beginners, keep knees soft and reach mid-shin. Advanced stretches, touch opposite ankles or tap the floor with each rep. Let's play a little game. Can you keep your spine long and core braced the entire time? Last few reps. Stay with it. Slow, steady, present. That's your body awake and aligned. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, all delivered daily to your email inbox, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.